Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale operations with Microsoft Dynamics step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current operational processes. Identify key areas that require scaling. Engage with stakeholders to understand their needs and perspectives. Map out your existing workflows to visualize processes. Conduct a gap analysis to pinpoint inefficiencies. Choose the right Microsoft Dynamics module that fits your business requirements. Set clear objectives for what you want to achieve with scaling. Create a project plan that outlines timelines and responsibilities. Ensure that you have the necessary resources, including budget and personnel. Prepare your data by cleaning and organizing it for migration. Initiate the setup of your Microsoft Dynamics environment. Customize the system according to your specific business needs. Integrate Microsoft Dynamics with your existing software and tools. Train your team on how to use the new system effectively. Run a pilot program to test the system in a controlled environment. Collect feedback from the pilot to make necessary adjustments. Roll out the system organization-wide based on pilot results. Monitor performance and set KPIs to measure success. Regularly review processes to identify further areas for improvement. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.